It's time for another gardening update. Hey y'all, happy Saturday. Welcome back to the collaboration. If you want to join this collaboration, just use the hashtag and join me and my participants that are continuing to support. You too can be a part on Saturday or Thursday. Just use the hashtag. And well, what am I showing you guys? This is a couple of rot bottom bell peppers. This is from my eldest bell pepper plant, which I am about to well, not at this moment, but I am going to switch out the soil this fall, and hopefully it will renew itself and revive. But this is what's going on now. I guess undernourished, rot, they get rot bottom, just like tomatoes get rot bottom. These bell peppers have a rot bottom disease on them. So I just wanted to come in here and share that with you guys, how my eldest bell pepper plant is doing not so good. If my bell pepper is turning out like this, major attention is needed, and I'm going to handle that, and you guys can see the after on my next Thursday garden collaboration. You can see what I did. So come back Thursday for the refresh of my eldest bell pepper plant. And don't forget, guys, in the beginning of this video, I advertised the participants that join me Saturdays for this collaboration. And don't forget to go and check out their channel, see what they're doing, whether they participated this week or not. Please go and check out their previous videos, hit a playlist. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to them. If you're not, don't forget to hit the notification, leave comments. Also, give them thumbs up. I know they will appreciate all the love and support. Okay, and I will too. Don't forget about subscribing over here, hitting the notification, giving a thumbs up, hitting the playlist, commenting, all those great supportive things. Okay, guys, and don't forget, join the collaboration if you like to share what's going on with your plants on Saturday. And it's not hard to do. Just upload on Saturdays, use the hashtag, and let folks know how your plants are doing. And then on Thursday, if you want to join that collaboration, you just let folks know how you like the style, and fix up your garden and stuff. Okay, that's it. That's all. Thank you guys so much. Have a great gardening day. Don't forget, I appreciate you. Bye. I'll see you on the next one. Gardening.